morning, guys.
I was also want to kiss Mexico.
Okay. Get ready. Back on it. Today we're going to Cozumel, Mexico. And I can't wait to get to the boat. We're driving to the boat right now. And it's going to be really fun. Goodbye!
Okay.
See where those cars are parked up there?
Yes, sir.
Pull right up to them. The valet is going to come to you, and they'll get your luggage there too.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Enjoy your holiday.
You too.
Oh, you can go off.
I don't know where to go.
I don't know either.
So we go on the Cozumel cruise today, and what I learned is someone told me that we should wake up early during the booking day and book early. Because what it is we pay for the whole day. Because we pay the whole day, we should get on the boat in a cruise and enjoy our entire day. So we feel like we pay for the day and use everything that we pay for. So my suggestion to anyone that's going to go on the cruise is to wake up the day of the booking early, try to get your boarding of booking time as early as possible. When you get there, you can enjoy yourself an entire day before anyone else even show up. And then you got to do all the things that you want to do, and hopefully you enjoy it. Peace.